We'll guide you through how to enable Wi-Fi calling on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Wi-Fi calling is a great feature. So first of all, just to go and confirm what it is. With Wi-Fi calling enabled and turned on, it means you can go and have calls come in and go out over your Wi-Fi. This is really convenient because in some situations you can go and have a connection to the Wi-Fi, but your mobile service be not there because you're in a bad area for it. So with Wi-Fi, it still allows you to go and be able to go and use your phone and make and receive calls. So we're going to guide you through step by step how to go and turn it on. And we're also going to go and guide you through how you can then go and check that it's currently active. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to get started, you need to come onto your phone. And of course, you do need to be connected to Wi-Fi for this to go and work. So you can come into your settings, swipe up like so and press search at the top and find settings, or swipe across and find it. Now what you can do is you can go and press connections and you can go and see my Wi-Fi is currently turned on. Make sure yours is over to the right and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. You can see I'm connected to GR here. Now we know we're using Wi-Fi. Now it is important to note that you should go and check that your carrier goes and supports this, because if your carrier doesn't, then your AKA your network provider, this means it's not going to go and work. So you can go and check your carrier by swiping down. You can see my carrier is EE there. So what I'm just going to do a quick search is I'll go and open up a web browser. And we can go and just check, does EE support Wi-Fi calling? So we've already been suggested that there. I can press that there, otherwise fully type it in. As you can see here, yes, EE fully supports Wi-Fi calling, allowing you to make and receive calls and texts over a wireless internet connection when mobile coverage is low. So now that we've confirmed that, we can go and continue. Now, what we need to do is go and open up the phone app. So you can find that at the bottom. Otherwise, you can swipe up and always go and search for it or find it on those pages and just wait for it to go and load. And at the bottom, we can come onto the keypad. As you can see, we already are here. And you want to come to the top right. There you're going to go and find the three dots, which you can tap and you can go and find settings. Then you want to come down here and you can go and find the option for Wi-Fi calling. And you can tap on the switch over to the right and you can go and click on it and turn it on here as well. So you could then get this pop-up saying turn on Wi-Fi calling. Your location will be sent to Google and your service provider. Check the privacy policies of Google and your service provider to see how they handle the data. The fun with me, so I'm going to press turn on. You can tap calling preference and you can choose Wi-Fi preferred or mobile network preferred. So you can go and choose a preference there. I like to use Wi-Fi and that's it. You're now going to see at the top, we go and have this little phone icon with Wi-Fi indicating Wi-Fi calling is on, and that's it. So we're now using Wi-Fi calling. It successfully turns on and enabled. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.